Why is it important that a solar installation is properly planned out? Come with me and I'll show you. So when we come out to do the survey, we always send the drone up, and that gives us millimeter perfect measuring. So we actually installed 11 panels here. Everyone else, this customer actually had 10 quotations, and out of the 10, they obviously went with us. But one of the main reasons was we're the only people that quoted 11 panels on the roof, and that's because we put 6 in landscape at the top and then 5 at the bottom in portrait. Everyone else had 9 panels or 10 panels, but the 10 panels actually wouldn't have fit because they would hit the waste soil stack there. So if you come with me, we've also installed a SigEnergy system, and I'll give a little bit of information around that as well. We're just at the front of the property now, and inside the garage is where all the consumer unit, cabling and all that side of it is. I'll show you that shortly. But if we just go around the side here, we've put the SigEnergy system here. So the inverter, we're actually gone for a wall mount on this one. Primary reason is because the customer's got the hose pipe here and it doesn't stick out any more than that. So the customer's really happy about that. So we've got the inverter on the top, and then one 9 kilowatt hour battery here, AC isolator here, and DC isolator here, and AC isolator. And then we've kept it all really nice and neat and straight in the trunking. But another reason why we plan it out is we drilled the hole first, run the trunking down, and then put the inverter next to it so that we can keep all this nice and straight. That's another real reason to make sure that everything's all planned out before you do the installation. Another reason it's important to have like the in-person and the planning's done beforehand. On this install, we actually realised that the gas was missing the bonding or was inadequately sized, so we knew that we had to, upgrade that before we started this installation, so there's no surprise bills at the end. If you follow me around here, it's a bit tight. So this is where everything happens. Got an AC isolator just in case we need to isolate anything. Then we've got the generation meter here, which has already started to generate. And then over in the corner here, we've got the new additional fuse board. We've put a surge protector in there, and then it's got the power meter in there as well. So that's all that side. Another key feature that we always put in, we always put a QR sticker. And basically what that means is the customer can scan that and it will bring up all his documentation. 5-10 years down the line, if they need to get any of their documents back up, they can literally just scan that and up it will come. And then another key reason is we've run the cable just right around the top here at the top, so you can't see any of the cabling, and it's all kept nice and neat. So as you can see behind me here, we've got the 11 panels, and because we've actually come out and done an in-person survey, it means that we're the only people that come up with this configuration. And the reason we can do that is because we send a drone up which accurately measures the roof. So we've got 5 across the bottom and then 6 in landscape above. Everyone else was doing 2 rows of portrait, so 10 panels, or they were doing 9 panels all in landscape. So this way around, we actually fitted the 11 475 watt AIKO panels. Ultimately, it means it's going to save the customer more money, primarily because in the winter you don't generate enough electricity to cover your usage. So normally by having that extra panel, ultimately it's going to generate a little bit more in the winter, just to give it that little bit of kick over the edge. And then we finish off with fireproofing all the way around, and just up here we've got a external soil stack. So it means that we actually missed that as well, because the 2 rows of portrait would have actually hit the soil stack, so they would have ended up with 9 panels doing it that way around anyway.